We are doing our first ever booth refresh. I cannot believe the booth has been open almost a month and 2 days. It feels wild to me. December was a fantastic month. I was a little nervous going in, obviously, because it was my first ever booth, but I wasn't sure of how December would be because it was right in the middle of Christmas time. Christmas shopping was still going on, but then at the same time, my town has nothing like this. So it was new and shiny, and I feel like people really, really like it. So I'm so excited about that. I've had so many compliments on it, and yeah, it's been great. It's been great. So today is the first booth reset ever of 2025, however you want to word it. So I'm not 100% sure yet of what exactly I want to take out of the booth or what I want to replace it with. So I'm going to take things that are like Easter holiday things, for sure get those in the booth, and then we can do a little rearranging. If things need to go from one booth to the other, we can make that work. I did find my first ever piece of, I thought this had a sticker. Am I wrong? Oh, my hand's on the sticker. A Viking glass. I've never found Viking glass before. It is so, so pretty. If I had a spot for this in my house, if it matched my house, I might keep it, but I would rather it go to somebody who will collect it, who loves it, and I think it would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Okay, I'm thinking I'm gonna take this big blue vase. This one is Robinson USA stamped on the bottom. I think that would be really pretty in somebody's kitchen. I think this vase can go too. It does need to be cleaned. It is a little springy in color. Obviously you can turn it around just to have that white side, but I think that somebody might still pick it up for Valentine's Day because you could still put some flowers in here and it'd be a really pretty present. So that's kind of my idea there. Okay, let's go ahead and get all of that into the computer and get it wrapped up. Yeah, all right. I will get that all put into the computer. That's the fun part. Okay, I just got everything moved in. I realized I really didn't bring that much, so I think it's going to take a little bit of moving things around to kind of freshen it up, look a little bit new. Like I said, we've only been open a month, so there's going to be a lot of new eyes on new things. People are going to come in. If they see new items, I'm definitely going to post on Facebook and let people know that there's some new stuff here. So, little refresh, little revive of the booth. and it should be okay. I'm gonna go move the car and then go and move all my stuff out of the way. Okay, so moved Christmas out. Originally, whenever I did this little setup, I thought I was gonna like it, but I feel like it feels too busy or just not complete. So I think I'm gonna move the bread box back to where it was. This originally was just on the floor, which I don't super love, but it is too heavy to kind of set on top of anything, or this could go on top of this nightstand over here. I have a lot of teacups to bring in, but I also have the Anchor Hawkins clear glasses. So I'm thinking maybe all the glass on the table with the Easter setup, and then the rest of it just kind of rearrange in some different spots. I need to put new art, bigger art on that side, and then bring some smaller pieces over into this wall here. I finally just had to turn the camera off and get this all finished. So I'm feeling very Eastery with just a little pops of Valentine's. I think it all just kind of goes together perfectly. Just that center table, just try to add something so like everywhere that you looked there is a spot. And then I kind of rearranged the plate wall. Just some things from the other side. I brought the bathtubs over here and the little easel, and then all the art kind of stayed the same. And then I put more of like the darker items in here, and then just put little pops of white to kind of tie it all in together. So I'm going to rearrange the shelves a little bit. I don't have a whole lot more to kind of bring in. I'm keeping this very much the same. Just kind of, I think I'm going to move a couple pieces out, and I don't think I'm going to have this art. Either that's going to have to stay there, or I don't really have a spot for it. So